Okay, we're back again already. So tonight, bit of a noise test again. I want to do a comparison between the BBR and pre-supercharger, post-superchargers, to see if it's any noisier. I can't quite make my mind up. So similar test to what I did the other week, to be honest, which is also posted on this channel. And again, if you like the channel, like, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. I don't think subscribe's an option, but anyway. So same thing as the other week. I'm just going to fire her up, rev her up a bit, turn the camera, just drive down the road, nothing spectacular, drive back again, and then we'll be able to see whether there is actually a noise difference. So let's fire her up. I don't think there is on tick over, to be honest with you, or even below 3,000 revs, but let's give it a rev up and see. Seem to pop and bang just subtly when it's out on the road. Right, so turn the camera around. Hopefully my phone's still going to be here in a few minutes, so down to the road, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the sun, and I'll be back in a short minute. Again, it's not a long start or anything like that, nothing exciting, it's a noise test, remember. Certainly there and back a little bit quicker. Alright, let's have a look at that later on and compare it with the other one.